Hydrosalpinx affects fertility in two ways. The first is the obstruction of the fallopian tubes, and the second is the actual liquid inside the fallopian tubes can affect the embryo, development of the embryo itself. The liquid itself can also provide a mechanical action which prevents the movement of the embryo correctly to the uterus for implantation. This fluid can be toxic to sperm. It can also contain antibodies to several things which can affect the implantation of the embryo. It's been shown that this fluid, this accumulated fluid, can also have a negative effect on the endometrium and block expression of certain genes that are required for embryo implantation to occur. Another important but serious complication is the presence of this liquid, if fertilization occurs, can actually prevent the movement of the developing embryo so that it implants in the fallopian tube, causing an ectopic pregnancy, which will then result in that part of the fallopian tube having to be removed. These are the reasons why it is so important in the case of a hydrosalpinx to correctly treat it and, if necessary, remove the parts of the fallopian tube so that none of the liquid is present and able to access the uterus. Therefore, any future assisted reproduction techniques such as IVF have a much greater chance of success.